Greetings, the people. You see me? Once more again in the drive and whistle, you see it? Now today I have to touch a point where inevitable. I can't go around it. You see me? Yeah man, I cannot go around this one, yeah man. The world boss free. You understand? Freedom is a must, they say. Yeah man. So I'm free out the road, you know, like a bird in the tree. Straight. Yeah man. So like how the world boss free now, you know, everybody have a spin-off to it on a topic where this and that, and you know, my thing or my topic, you know, is talking about, you know, what the world boss supposed to be focusing on, like how him free. You understand? Or how him should be focusing on. Yeah man. So if you're new to the channel, just remember, you know, subscribe up to the thing, you know, press up some button, like up some things, you know, share up some things, and just straight. Yeah man, world boss free, touch a road. We see the image of him stepping out, meted by Bright Life. Yeah man, up in that pretty limousine there with him queen. Yeah man, said speed. You know, a lot of people have things negative and a lot of people have things positive to say about it. But nevertheless, I saw the world run. Yin yang, positive, negative. I saw you get electricity. You can't worry about just the positive alone. Because if you're positive alone, you know, no grounds. You need grounds. Which are the negative, you see me? Yeah man, that's how the thing work. So, me not depend on the positive or the negative, me depend on the realistic part of things. And my thing, as me say, is what, you know, the most politically correct things, you know, a world boss supposed to or should be doing, you know, or should I do. If him not do yet, or if him a plan for do. This is what me I say. Alright, my thing is now, you say, it's evident. It's like, it's a global event whenever you have a world boss trial or anything to do with the world boss. We're not talking about just people on the streets of Jamaica. We're talking about people worldwide. We're talking about even entertainers, celebrities, show them support or solidarity towards him. And, you know, him step out the road. So, it's only fair, as far as me see it now, if him just left a message, you know, if I want 2 minutes message, to the people them who support him over the 13 years when they behind bars. You understand me? Yeah, proper something. Whether I'm gonna make Isaac write it, Bert Samuels, or him, cause he's a very articulate guy. Very bright, no dunce. You know, and say something to the people, because yeah, when him left out, you see how much people in the street. And yeah, people genuinely love him. You understand me? Yeah, so step out. Say something to your fans, your well-wishers, your family. You know, say something to them. Alright? That's one. Don't get trained. Secondly, the image, or what is said about his health. Him have Graves' disease. And as far as me know, as far as my research based on what the ISAT say, it's not a disease or a condition where you ramp with. You understand me? And him touch a road and boy, you can't kill him for celebrating, you know, because when a man lock up behind bars for so long, there's nothing really and truly you can tell him when him walk out and know say him can turn left or right, up or down, and no prisoner, no prison officer now go say, you know, go round so. Time to go back in his cell. You can't tell a man about that. So celebration is a must for him. Saying? Alright, so I him that. My thing is, you need some time for yourself. World boss. You understand me? And in your message where you want put that in your message and say, watch out people. Me I beg you know 1 week to straighten out myself. Saying whether you want to go a doctor or you want a weekend down at one of the hotel there. To just spend some time with your personal people, them, your wife, your son, your daughter. You understand me? And your close friends, and just chill out. Because 13 years are long. 1-2 weeks can't kill you, or maybe 1 week can't kill you. If you just relax and look back reflect. You know, reflect on some things where should have done or shouldn't do. You know, or you know, a problem with, and say, watch out, way forward, you know, anything me I live right now, a bonus, you know. You understand me? And just come back and just take it to them because you left at a point where you have dancehall and heat out of the palm of your hand. And just say your name, Palmer. Adija. Yeah, man. And you touch out back out the road now where the streets are wait for you. Said speed because when you're there incarcerated, the said speed, your songs them are still beat #1. Consistently that people are wonder how go on. So you're out the road now. Take some time for yourself, world boss, and reflect. Get your image up. Because where you did left a road, a lot of people have the image of you when you go a prison. When you have that cane road there, the corn road, and the bleaching. Now you're in a prison and come back out, your image gone down. Deteriorate a little bit. Not a little bit, your image deteriorate enough. So you want to get your image back out. See? Because if your image spoil, you know, people are going to say, oh Lord, me never know how saw you look. Him not look ugly, him not look cute like one time, he not look pretty like one time, he not look like gangster like one time, he not look like world boss again. And your image have something to do with your where you put out, you see your product. So, as I say, world boss, that is where I think you should have, or you're supposed to be a pre right now. You understand me? Because you want to come out the road and make back some money where you pay ISAT. Or more likely where you pay with your co-accuse them. You must pay them the liar fee or whatever it is. You want to make back your money. Work on your image and thing. You know, give people your thanks and whatever them do for you. Don't take it for granted. You understand me? Do not take it for granted. Don't do it. Anyway, people, that is my 3 cents on the driver whistle. I want to know what you think about the comment. I want to think about your opinion and drop in yours. Let me know what I go on. So you what now? Do quick, you know. Hold like a lamp.